Hello, my friends. I miss you all, and I hope you're having fun at home. And I think it's time for another at-home science lab. So, for today's experiment, we need the following materials. 5 clear cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. We need water. Check. We need food coloring. For this experiment, I used blue, yellow, and red, but you can use different colors if you want. And you need 4 strips of paper towels. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to pour water into 3 cups. And you want to make sure that you have an equal amount of water in each cup. So that's 1, 2. Do those look equal to you? What do you think? I think I need to add more water in this one, right? A little more. I think that's good. And 3. Are those equal? Pretty much. I think that's good. And you're going to make each water a different color. And I think we're going to start with blue, and let's try 10 drops. That's my hair. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I love, before I mix it in, I love seeing the colors swirl and disperse in the water. Is your color swirling? I like to watch that a little bit before I go on. It kind of looks like a tornado in there. I think it's very beautiful. Okay, and for yellow, I'm going to do 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 drops of red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So go ahead and just kind of observe what's happening in your water right now. As it's all swirling around, the water is getting darker and darker. And then you can just give this a little swirl yourself if you want. These are called the primary colors. Red, yellow, and blue are the primary colors. And you're going to see why in a little bit. So next thing you want to do is make kind of a pattern with your cups. So you're going to do 1 cup with water, 1 clear cup, 1 cup with water, 1 clear cup, 1 cup with water. And then you need to get your paper towels. Remove this. And you're going to fold your paper towels like this. Fold it once, like this, and fold it twice, and then fold it in the middle so that it kind of looks like a mountain. You see that? And I'm going to put one end in the blue water and one end in the empty cup. And I'm going to do that again. Fold it once, and fold it twice, and make a mountain. And this time I'm going to put one end in the empty cup and one in the yellow. And I'm going to do that for all of my cups. 1, 2, mountain, and last Next one. 1, 2, and 10. So before we start, you can kind of make any observations that you notice right now. What's happening on your paper towel? What do you see? What colors do you see? And then what do you think is going to happen? What is your hypothesis? What is your prediction? When we're making a hypothesis, you can draw on the experiments that we've done before. We know a little bit about water. We've been doing science experiments about water for a couple weeks. And what do we know about water molecules? They like to stick together. That's called, do you remember? It's a big word. Cohesion. Can you say that? Cohesion. Let's clap it. Cohesion. Let's tap it. Cohesion. Let's whisper it. Cohesion. Cohesion is when the water molecules like to stick together. And we saw that when we did our celery experiment. Do you remember? What happened when we stuck the celery in the blue water? Maybe tell your grown-up, weren't there, they didn't know. What happened when we put the celery in the water, in the blue water? Where did the water go? How did it get there? So we can think about that experiment when you're thinking about what you think is going to happen in this experiment. And what I want you to do now is wait and come back and see what happened, maybe tonight before you go to sleep, and come back and see what happens tomorrow and tomorrow night, and let me know. Let me know what you discover. Let me know what you observe, and let me know what you think is happening, and then we can talk about it again. Yeah, I miss you guys, and I can't wait to know what you think.